welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I have my little witch hat on because we are getting so close to Halloween. So I'm getting in the spirit. We have our little guy back here and our spider web. So you may see the hat throughout some videos. So anyway, thank you again so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. And I hope you all, like I said, are having an amazing day. Thank you so much. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And guys, don't forget, we do have an active giveaway going on our channel for the in the Thrift a Bag video. That link will be down below, so definitely enter if you have not already. But as you can see, today we are going to be unboxing the October 2019 Beauty and a Book. So I'm going to go over briefly what this subscription is, and then we'll get into the unboxing. Last month was the first time I did it, and it was so good. But I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. It is $29.99 a month plus shipping, and it is for the beauty and book lover. It's a sub box for people who love beauty and reading. We supply beauty accents you need and a great novel to enjoy monthly. And it is a 6-item minimum. So you're going to receive at least 6 items in every box. Beauty products, New York Times bestsellers, new author books, makeup. They do have a tween box that will resume in 2020. You do need to order by the 25th of the month to receive the following month's box, and it does ship worldwide, which is awesome. So like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Beauty and a Book. It was really great last month, so I can't wait to see what we got for October. It does come in an outer mailer. I just took that off, so let's see what we got. So this is what you see when you open it. So there's some tissue paper. And there is always a card here, so we'll look at that in just a second. And then this is what we see so far. So let's look at the card. So it says your October box. Then it goes over some of the items. And then there are some announcements here on the back. So let's take a look at this. It says we are going quarterly in 2020. That's awesome. Box prices will increase for new subscribers. All 2019 subscribers will pay $29.99. 2020 subscribers, it will go to $37.99. The tween and /teen boxes, like I said, will return in 2020. Book choices will be added as an option, so that's awesome. All information can be found on their website. So that is fantastic. So like I said, I'll put a link down below. So one thing I like about this too is it lists here different products that you're getting, but then it says an extra. So there will be some things that aren't listed on the card that are in here. So they do always include a little sticker, Beauty in a Book, which I like. I like having little stickers or things from all the different subscriptions I get, and I kind of keep them, and I eventually want to make like a YouTube scrapbook. So, but let's see. We'll start with this. This is a makeup pouch, and how adorable is this? It is a light pink, this looks like canvas. Yep. And it has the lashes. So cute. That's a good size makeup pouch too. Oh, and I like that it's lined inside, so you don't have to worry about anything leaking onto the canvas. So I really like that. That is adorable. All right, so that was on here. And then let's see. We have a motivational travel size journal. And it says the best way to get something done is to begin. And that is so true. And how cute is that? That like marbling effect. And then it is just lined on the inside. I love that. And it's not too big, not too small. It's like the perfect size. So I really like that guy. And to go along with that, oh, and I'm excited. I actually have one similar to this and I love it. So I'm so happy to have another one. It is a rose gold ballpoint pen, but isn't that just gorgeous? And if you guys can see, like, the little rhinestone crystals in there, and then you just twist. I love this. Like I said, I have one of these pins already, so I'm so excited to have another one. I just think it's so beautiful. All right, so let's see. Then we have like a little sleeping mask here. These always come in handy. And from Appeal Cosmetics, let's see. Hold on. We have it's all wrapped up. We have a holographic lip gloss. Now, I have actually received this in other subscriptions, so I'll be putting this one to the side for a giveaway. It's a great lip topper. I really enjoy it, and it is a little bit of fun, you know, because it's a little sparkly. So that will be going to one of you guys. And then we have also from Appeal Cosmetics, this is a bronze pigment, so it's a loose powder right there. Very pretty and very appropriate for fall. And also Appeal Cosmetics, we have a taupe gel lip liner. I wanted to check because so there are some of these liners, you can see there, gel, that you actually can use on your eyes and your lips. So on the card it says lip liner, but it doesn't say, it just says gel liner here in deep taupe. So this may be the one that you can use on your eyes and your lips. So there's that guy. And then we have our book, but we'll get to that in a minute because we do have some other items here. So these are the extras, and it looks like there are 3. So I'm going to do this first one because this actually has me kind of intrigued as to what it actually is. Let's see. Thumb ring, reading ring bookmark. Oh, okay. So you put it on like this, and you could be scrolling down. But then I guess you could also, it says reading ring and bookmark. So you could be scrolling down as you read, and then you can use this as a bookmark. That's really awesome. It's definitely unique. It shows here how it would kind of like stay on the page. Like this part would stay inside when you close the book. This backside here. So that's really neat. I'm actually gonna put that back in the bag because knowing me, I'll forget. And I'll be like, what am I supposed to do with this again? So there is that guy. And then it looks like we have from Bare Minerals, it says Statement Luxe Shine Lipstick in Tease. Let's see. I love Bare Minerals lipstick. The formula is really great. And yes, I am that girl. I do like the bullet lipsticks. So here it is outside of the packaging. Oh, and that's a very pretty color. It's a very pretty nude pinkish color. I really like that. And then we have one more item before our book. And this is Miso Lift Skin Micro Needle Skincare Technology Complexion Brightener. Oh, is this like a helps reduce the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation? Is this like a little derma roller? Dermatologist approved. Directions: to apply, pump and roll the Miso Lift micro needle wheel to cleanse area nightly using gentle pressure. It's like a little I mean, they must be some like super fine needles because, okay, yeah, I can see them now. So it is like, but there's something in here So it's not just like a regular derma roller. There's actually like something in here because it says half a fluid ounce. So there's actually something in here. So when you're rolling it, it's actually putting something onto your skin. That is so different, and I really like that. That is awesome. I love this. I love this so much. And this was an extra. I know this could not have been cheap. These things are not cheap. And how appropriate, we are down to our book. How appropriate for October that we got a Stephen King book, The Institute. So this book alone is $30, if you can see right there. So that right there is the cost of the subscription. I'm not familiar with this, so let's read the little back here and we'll see. The playground was surrounded by a chain-link fence at least 10 feet high, and Luke saw cameras peering down at 2 of the corners. They were dusty, as if they hadn't been cleaned in a while. Beyond the fence, there was nothing but forest, mostly pines. Whatever the Institute was, it was in the middle of an old-growth forest, which meant in the middle of nowhere. As for the playground itself, Luke's first thought was that if there was ever a prison exercise yard for kids between the ages of 6 and 16, it would look exactly like this. The girl, Iris, saw them and waved. She double bounced on the trampoline. "Shah! Who you got there?" "This is Luke Ellis," Kalisha said. "New this morning." Well, we have some Halloween reading, and like I said, what better than a Stephen King novel for the month of October? That is fantastic. So we got the Stephen King book, the Bookmark. I'm so excited about this derma roller and the fact that it actually has like a solution to put into your skin. The Bare Minerals lipstick, the 3 different products from Appeal Cosmetics, the gloss, the liner, and the loose pigment. We got this super beautiful journal. We got the gorgeous rose gold fancy pin, and of course the cosmetics case with the lashes that is just beautiful, and the little eye mask. So y'all, they packed this box. They're not playing. And I mean, you can see this, it's a long read. So I think this is another great box. They knocked it out of the park again. I love it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link if you would like to sign up. If you love to read and you love getting beauty products, then this definitely is a box for you. So like I said, that link will be down below. Don't forget to enter our active giveaway, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.